Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on REALME Narzo 50i Prime. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here we want to find Microsoft Edge. Now hit the search button and install this app. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here we can customize it, so you can sign in to turn on synchronization, set up for your data sharing preferences, accept or not, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and from here we can visit any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.